Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Market's open. Let's see if we can catch a trade. Remember, no tilt, no reasons to force a trade. Enter early. Let's wait on confirmation. If you have a setup you like, let's talk about it. Sound good? Good morning, everyone. What's up? What's up, Team Bull? What are we watching?
What's up, Grizzly Glock?
What's up, man?
How you doing, my boy?
Amazing. Ready to make some money today.
Gonna catch some winners today?
Had to throw down a protein shake before I got on here.
So you're throwing on a protein shake?
I said that's what I was doing. That's why I was a few minutes late here.
Gotta put the raw egg in it, bro.
The raw egg. You just eat the whole egg, shell and all.
Oh, whoops. Well, last night's masterclass was fire. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Too much sauce in an hour. I've never seen.
I'm gonna focus in here, YouTube. Let's see if we can catch a trade. If you have any questions, please drop them in chat. What's up, YouTube, TikTok? Welcome in, everyone. I have a bounce level I'm watching on NQ. Let's see. Let me switch over to NQ for YouTube as well. Nice. Glad you made some money off that. I'm gonna start watching around this 25,200 area for a possible long entry. If we let's see here. Down to like 25,186.
All right, let's see here. Damn, I still got Amazon on my screen, Grizzly.
Some Amazon.
Keep moving.
Oh, Greg's trying to get in, I believe. I don't know.
I added him earlier.
Oh, maybe an issue.
Times.
He may not have the best internet. I don't know if he's working or not. We got a ton of Fed speakers today.
Morning. What's up, dog?
Good morning, Greg.
How are you? Morning, Grizzly. See what we get. What's the plan? Shorts?
No, I was looking for a long entry if it pulled back. But hold on one sec. I just trade the day trade futures. I don't swing them. I prefer swing trading options. And I trade the contract. I day trade the contract with the most volume. So it's typically the closest expiration. And in QES, they have quarterly expirations.
Is AMD ripping again? That might be the stock. That's the SIP, the stock and play.
Be sure to follow and go live every morning. We start our mornings on Instagram together, if you all don't know that. We create a watch list there, get our game plan ready, and here's where we come to actually catch the trades.
All right, let's watch. I don't have any setups on AMD yet. I'm watching the NASDAQ, I'm watching SPY, and I'm also peeping through individual names. Damn, Grizzly, your Amazon's ripping today.
Tell you, man, so much time for it to make the big run. It hasn't had a nice one.
It starts ripping.
Shorts.
We have accumulation going on here on Amazon around this 216 to 224 area. We break out of this, we should see 230s pretty quick. Sorry, Greg. Didn't mean to interrupt you.
No worries. Just looking this level 252. Just looking price action.
Is it Prime Day? I don't think it's Prime Day.
I don't think so.
We haven't asked Grandma for trades in a few days.
Be sure to follow. Oh, I shouted a Instagram live this morning, but I want to say for those that are here in the YouTube, TikTok, I appreciate the support on using Code Grizzly especially for Apex. You all really crushed it yesterday. I know a million different codes to choose from, so just saying thank you. Today's Prime Day? I was wrong. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Is it Prime Day or not? I don't know.
I guess so. I don't know.
I haven't seen it advertised.
That's what they keep telling me.
Which I
That's
don't.
what they keep telling me. I don't know.
I don't ever watch any news or anything, so.
So let's see. We're at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs. I'm very, very cautious. If we can catch a slow grind up, we'll do it on a higher low. We'll do it on a systematic entry. And we'll do it with patience. If we catch a downside setup, we'll do it with, again, a systematic entry. We'll do it with patience, and we'll do it the right way. Not guessing.
Speaking of guessing, what's Grandma saying?
Udo. You know what we need? I'm going to tell you what we need. You ready here? Since the government's been shut down, they've been withholding all this data. So once it opens, I want every piece of data that hasn't been released to drop at one time. I'm talking the ultimate data drop, NFP, consumer sentiment. Throw CPI in there.
Good.
Drop it all at once and let the market just go bananas.
It's probably about the same effect as one good tariff tweet.
Just let it go bananas. Let all the data drop just at once.
Welcome in, everyone. I'm just talking to Team Bull here. Yeah. Do you think he wants the market to liquidate prop firms? I like upside. It could sell right off, but right now it looks like we just want to climb up. I'm gonna wait till 3 more minutes before I even consider a trade. I want to see the 15-minute range formed. See what we look like here. I think we started morning off by watching the 15-minute orb. We watched for that strategy first for a possible entry. Because we do have a ton of Fed speakers. Check this out, everyone. Could go either way quickly. Just let me show you all real quick. Fed speakers. Just a ton of them, right? We just want to try to avoid as much of that as possible. Greg must be in the trade. I didn't know he was. You taking a trade, Greg? I missed it.
Angle shorts. Entry was 240.
NQ shorts for Greg. We got enough Fed speakers today. A ton.
Hey, Fed speakers, that's your favorite, Grizzly?
Man, it makes for the worst trading conditions.
That's your favorite, bro. I'm gonna listen to us. Need to listen up. Stream was great. Class was great. That was amazing.
I keep muting Team Bull. I'm just trying to focus in. I really want to capitalize on today, everyone. Nothing personal. Just sometimes I have to mute to be able to concentrate. This is how my mind is. Make sure you follow everyone. Go live every morning. See if we can get this. We got a 15-minute range in, so that's good. We have an actual setup to watch, right? Hope Greg shorts print for him. Welcome in. Appreciate the follows. I still look Honda occasionally. They're more for ES. You know, if I was gonna trade ES all the time, SPX would 100% be up for me all the time. I feel like trading ES off SPX levels would be the way. If we didn't have NQ. I hope we do not just chop around in this range like we did yesterday. That was horrible. Good morning. Welcome in. Any questions? We got time to talk. We're waiting on the setup here. I mean, no trades to be made here. Unless you all see something you want me to look at. Maybe you're considering a trade here. Let's talk about it. If anybody's in the TTD leaps with me, they're up nice. I trimmed. Also, I need to look at something. I was considering selling some options on today. See what it's at this morning. Wes, looking forward to you coming back, man. This is 5-minute time frame. On OPEN, I may sell some cash secured puts today for those that sell options. If you're not familiar with this, what I'm talking about is different from day trading. So I'm not going to say a whole lot about it, but definitely looking for an entry. It's nice pullback today on it. Now I'm going to focus on some day trading, see if we can't make some money that way. Maybe towards the end of this, I'll take a look at OPEN, see if we can't find some puts to sell after we're done day trading. I'm going to remake a wheel strategy video on YouTube. I don't think it'll get a lot of views, but I think some of you all really are trying to, get into the option selling side. So it's not for everyone. It does require some capital. Open is volatile? Yeah, it is. You can do it on stuff that you want to hold long term as well. So, anyways, I'm going to quit talking about it for now. Going to confuse the new people about it. Going to focus on catching a nice day trade here. We're still in the 15-minute range. Let me make sure I got my Grizzology set to the orb 15-minute range. I know it's on 30 here. Jake, that C4 stuff is good. The canned C4 energy drinks, I'm gonna have to quit drinking them though. I used to just have my own healthier stuff, and I started trying them. I got addicted. All right, finally pushing down here. Let's see what we do. I've got a bounce area on NQ, everyone, around at 25,200 down to like that Asia high, or this area here. Right in this area, we could possibly look for a long entry. Corey, don't do it. It's not worth it. It's too addictive. Can we real quick while we're waiting on this setup? Can we just run the thumbs up, the likes up real quick? I promise I won't ask too much today. We no trades for me yet. We're waiting on a. I did catch a trade pre-market, by the way. I told everyone earlier I'm testing a new strategy. I made $200 and something off one ES, and it would have been more, but I closed it out because we did have data at 8:30. I closed it out before that, so I'm up 200 and something on the morning on my personal account, real cash. Thank you, appreciate that. Oh, that's plenty. I appreciate you. You have lost $1 billion. You must be doing all right. What strategy? Right now we're waiting on the 15-minute orb strategy. That's the only thing we're watching now. Well, we're watching for a possible bounce or the orb strategy to confirm. Very simple to follow. I'll be very clear if I take this. But the blue box is basically the 15-minute range. So since market open, for the first 15 minutes, it charts out your range. There's two ways you can trade this. You can wait on the breakout, which is higher risk, high volume closing below or above for a possible short or long entry, depends, which way we go. Or you can wait on the retest, break above, or break below, pull back up and retest, pull back down and retest for your entry. I prefer retest entries. But, we can try the initial breakout, lighter size if you all would like. But let's talk about it. What do you think? Do you think it's worth trying the initial breakout? Because we are at, have some extreme strength in the market. Greed. We're in the greed index. I would say Greg's already trimmed his shorts and moved to, and stopped out. So, just a heads up. Well, we'll see what this candle looks like. What's the range here? 62, 41. We'd have to keep our stops around that 50% of this range if we take this trade. Hard stops if we get the breakout confirmation. So, you need a position for a little more drawdown if we catch this lighter size. Well, not really. It's not too much drawdown. I'm used to a bigger range, I guess. Gotta check my email real quick. Real quick. I won't take too long. I have a lot going on right now between buying that land and everything else. Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. I know you all probably get tired of hearing me say that, but Austin, you can DM me whatever you got there. I'll take a look at it. I'm always down for investing in, whatever, if it's, if the papers make sense and I have conviction in it, I don't mind investing. Oh, everyone on YouTube probably thinks there's a guy on Austin on TikTok asked me about investing in the startup. I was just answering his question. It's in Tennessee. Chris, I plan on putting Airbnb on it, probably like a little cabin type Airbnb on the property I'm buying. I've got a guy who can build it. I know him. Good morning. Welcome in. What is this volume? Now that looks good for shorts, but we're above this point of control, so I can't really short above point of control. That is your volume-based support at the moment on the lower time frame. You all enjoying the Fed speakers yet?
Yeah, right.
Horrible.
You should have gotten him, Destiny. Is it going to be another day of no trades? No significant trades?
I just hope we get out of the 15-minute range today. That would be a move in the right direction.
No. Well, technically speaking, this 5-minute chart looks short with that previous 5-minute candle. I'm just not super convinced yet. Considering we're in the middle of our range, but that last 5-minute candle looks more favorable to shorts at this very, very second. We got ES. Yeah, we got SPY having a little weakness. See if we can get some confirmation here on SPY.
Take a look at ES here, see what we got going on there. Wrong chart.
What about PayPal? Is it nuking?
Oh yeah, ES is trying to confirm the breakout of the orb.
Yeah, PayPal's moving. Gene, you want to come say hi? I use the restroom. I use the restroom. Be like Gene. What's up, guys?
What's up, Gene?
How are you?
Great, good morning.
Good morning.
We got ES at VWAP.
Hey guys, looking at the shorts, okay?
How'd you do in the first short trade, Greg? The one from earlier?
It was a red trade for me.
Red?
Me too.
I was green for a little bit, but
I was green too. I stopped out.
look at this. They just went to stop out, and that's it, man.
Yeah, that's what they did to me yesterday. Just the highest volume point on the time frame we're on, Honda, basically. Took me forever to figure out how to code it in, though, I'm telling you.
Hello? What up? Holy shit, we should have pushed. Oh, that's SPY. Oh no, the NASDAQ got a big push down too. Oh shit. I get up and it starts pushing down. Wow, the second I get up, we start moving. Maybe I should get up more often.
Oh.
How about to take the shorts again? Taking the shorts, huh? Taking now the shorts.
Greg said he got back in NQ shorts, everyone. It's not my setup, but he's taking it. If you want to trade with him, I'm going to wait.
I get up.
We're just approaching my bounce area. I'm going to have to mute for a second. Mute team pool. I've got to focus in here. I don't like shorts here or anything until we get out of this range. Starting like a bounce. And I hate how we're at the bottom of the... I hate how my bounce area is at the bottom of this 15-minute range. So we got to make the decision. Do we stay with the trend, wait on the bounce, or do we try to possibly scalp the orb strategy? That's the decision we have to make. So Delta right now is 12, 13, it's 1300 positive right now on this candle on NQ. So we got a strong green delta on this. 1427. Appreciate all the thumbs up, YouTube. You all did great. Means a lot. Wow. And TikTok, 1.8K likes on TikTok. we're bouncing this area. That is why I did not short here, my friends. What do I look at to see? Delta? Comes with Grizzology. You'll see it in the bottom right corner if you have Grizzology. Also, you don't have to, if you don't have Grizzology, my indicator, you can see it through the footprint charts as well if you want to switch to them on TradingView. You have to zoom in, but it'll show you the delta on them as well. ES, let me talk to Team Bull on this one. They need to hear this as well. All right, everyone. ES has actually nearly retested that 15-minute range there from the bottom. This is a possible short entry on ES. It's not a trade I'm taking. I'm just talking. I want to wait on NQ to get out of this range before taking anything.
You don't want me. Yeah, we're chopping in the midway through the opening range, high and low. So I'm staying patient.
All right, Austin, I'll take a look at it as soon as I finish up this live trading session, okay? For those that are trying ES shorts, for me, my stop loss would be a close back inside that range. Above that, like 6794. Gonna wait on NQ though.
Is there any gotchas to Tradify Lightning? I mean, the consistency's not great. 20%, that's the only downfall in my opinion. Low consistency's tough. That's tough. That's tough. Not easy. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Don't let dopamine overpower discipline. Just got my first 2 funded Apex accounts thanks to your code. Always top set. Awesome, Mamba.
What was the volume like? Corey, I haven't tried it that way. I always use Tradevate as well if I need to. For the risk settings. No reject levels on the NQ for me, everyone. I don't really like a short. I did have a level pre-market, but it ripped through it before market open for a possible reject, which I'm okay with. I'd rather it just rip through the zone than we get in a trade and it stop us out, you know. Is it? This ES candle's green and still has positive delta, or it hasn't updated yet at least. TradingView may be running a second behind here. Appreciate the follows. If you see a setup you want to take a look, at, let me know. Always down. Sometimes we catch some nice trades when people recommend something. Excuse me. Yeah, shorts look good and NQ shorts do not. So. We got the retest confirmation on ES for that 15-minute orb.
What do you say?
I said we technically on ES we got the retest confirmation for shorts.
That volume looks decent.
Entry.
Actually, on SPY it actually looks decent.
ES looks good as well. We
Yes, yeah. Actually, as a matter of fact, that looks decent.
right here would be your entry too for the retest. If you're gonna try it, I just don't want to take a trade with the NQ still in this 15-minute range. It just never works out the best for me. Even if it is ES.
SPY or 60. Technically speaking, if you were to take shorts on ES, where's my
Stops above 796.
yeah, stops up to be right here. Entry in here. I don't like the way we went and touched pre-market low. That's my only problem with that. From that high, we moved down 5 points. Maybe it's time to ask Grandma. Grandma, I need help.
Come help me.
Trying to make some money.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving it. Don't forget to let. Gonna keep it small.
All right, Greg, take it easy.
See you, Greg.
Take care, man. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Adios.
No, she hasn't commented yet, Corey. No tilt. Stay disciplined. No point in throwing away all your hard work for one forced trade. I'm not in a trade, Jordan. I'll let you all know very clear if I take something. I was just talking about the ES setup. It is technically valid. The 15-minute orb is valid for shorts here. But we still have NQ inside the 15-minute range. Not a good read on NQ at all right now. Good morning, Charlie. Welcome into the YouTube. Any questions? Plenty of time for questions. Real quick, everyone just let me know they can hear me. My internet just flashed like it was off for a second. Just want to make sure everyone can still hear me clear. Thank you. Yeah, this is some boring price action here, but I think we might catch a trade today. We just gotta be patient, wait on NQ. If you want to trade right now, try some ES shorts. I mean, it looks decent. I'm just gonna be patient and wait on NQ. I just don't do well with ES. And I already caught one winning trade pre-market on ES. I'm not trying to test my limits trading ES this morning. Appreciate that. If you try ES shorts, stop loss 796. If we get pre-market low out of it, 6774, quite a ways down. You say something, Jaden?
I'm just Just narrating. So Turnstile, welcome, bro.
Welcome back.
Been on a mountain, been around fire. Then we're about to sweep London lows on ES. Let's see.
Wait, isn't London lows on ES at like 6774?
What?
Isn't London low like 6774?
Oh, oops, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Way
So-
down. I don't know why I had that put there. My levels were off.
Just want to make sure mine wasn't. Did anybody try the ES shorts earlier when we was talking about it?
We're just playing out on Spy on ES.
Nice. I didn't take it with you all, but I just wanted to give you my thoughts there. I know some of you don't mind scalping it. If I'd have taken it with you, it would turn into a red trade as much as ES hates me. It's my enemy half the time. No, for real though. If you took that trade, we got Asia high setting at 6786. Wouldn't hurt to take a little off there if we get to it. Move your stops to entry, whatever you entered the trade at. That way, if it pushes up, you don't give back any
So far,
profits.
so good on that orb setup, huh, Grizzly? It's only at about 1-1 right now, but
Yeah, I'm sure some people took it. So
it's going in the right direction.
yeah, if I'd have taken the ES trade with everyone, it wouldn't have.
I didn't take it either. But the rationale there is solid.
Tosh, thanks for sharing the TikTok live. Appreciate it. Live on TikTok and YouTube. The crowd's on YouTube, but I expect that would change after I consistently stream on TikTok. You know what I haven't done this week? I haven't gave any evals away.
Stopping that wick on ES small loss. How come? I never went past the trend setting candle. If you did take ES,
I haven't gave away any accounts.
795.5.
You all know what I have? I have some 150.
Trend setting candle.
I have some 150K take profit evals. So stick around to the end of these lives. I may give a 2 or 3 away. We'll see. Again, if you all, if you're not a winner, you want to try out take profit, you can always go to grizzlytrades.com, click on take profit, use code Grizzly. You know, use them for your funded accounts. Okay, you should be taking some off here if you took the shorts, everyone. This is a beautiful 15-minute orb to the downside on ES.
That worked out well. We would have had NQ semi-cooperating, that would have been stuff that I took. For sure. The education is great there, though. For on screen share, if you're looking at that. 35, 220.
NQ is pushing a little closer to my bounce area I'm watching. If anybody did take the ES, I would definitely trim here, Team Bull. Move stop loss to entry. Let this trade run to that 6,777 area.
Ooh, sometimes. I had before. Whoa. Let's see. I'm watching this NQ orb.
Anyone else sipping some good coffee? I love my mornings. I wake up, work out, hit the sauna, come back, make some money with you all.
Yes, orb was beautiful. Look at that.
Or try to at least. What is an orb? Orb is opening range break. So there's two different
21
orb
seconds on the
ranges I
second
watch.
5-minute candle.
I watch
If we close this strong, I'll look for a short entry to pop up.
I watched a 15-minute orb range and 30-minute orb range for possible trades. Oh. Hey, MJ, I appreciate that. Using my code for Apex. Always appreciate the support. Yeah, I watched a 5-minute chart for day trades confirmation. Tends to be the best, for me at least, for my strategies. Welcome in, everyone. All right, we got the close below. I'm gonna have to unmute Team Bull as well. We got the close below the 15-minute range. Let's see what happens. Right at VWAP.
Done. I tried those shorts, Grizzly.
Oh, you're in shorts?
Yeah, I tried the shorts.
Nice.
Slightly. I got filled right above 15. My stops are at 236. So I have 20 points of risk on the trade. Better area is in here in like 20 to 25. You only have about 10, 15 points of risk. If we go up to 35, it will get stopped out if we end up pushing above this previous 5-minute candle. 236.
Point of control sitting at 239 right now. So you are below it. Could see a nice move.
Better at area up here with stops above 236. If we go back in that 50% retracement range, I have no interest.
What's going on? Just like logged me out of my trade of 8 and shut down my I'm watching this for a possible short entry, everyone. I'll let you know if I enter the shorts, if it's a different area than Jay done.
I like this area too. There's only 10, 15 points of risk. So we go back above that 50% retracement and the orb is wrong. The EPA is wrong, and we move forward.
I think I'm going to trade MNQ today. All these Fed speakers. Catch you later, Joseph. Have a good day. See you back tomorrow.
So this 5-minute, if the 5-minute closes back up here, I might cut it early too. Technically that goes against system.
No confirmation yet for me. If it makes a move without us, it's okay. I'm okay with it. But I have not got confirmation yet.
That add up there was nice so far. That second add up there was beautiful, guys. If you took that, we should get a really nice move down here now. I'm going to go ahead and set my stops. I haven't trimmed anything, but I'm going to move my stops to 29. Let's see if we can get this move down now. Both entries are green. If you average in, your average should be in like the mid-20s if you averaged in. There we go. Let's give you a low day. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm trimming, guys. I'm trimming. I'm trimming, guys. I'm trimming.
Good job, man. Nice trim.
Let's go. Yo.
Oh, Jaden got a nice entry on that. Nice. See, he took the initial breakout. He took the breakout candle. Basically, I guess you could call that a retest. But and he added a little here. Kept his stop the same in his printing for him, which is nice. But it doesn't match what I'm looking for. We was looking for the retest entry. We could confirm on this candle. The only issue is we're approaching my bounce area. Appreciate the follow on TikTok. What's up? What are we thinking? YouTube, TikTok? We're gonna try some shorts or we're gonna wait on the bounce? Let's make a decision. We can't do anything till this 5-minute candle closes either way. We're in my bounce area. I mean, touched it to a T there. I think I'm gonna have to, let me look at this chart in front of me. We got time. Negative delta. Much risk. 28 points. 30 points.
I dead ass. I would literally, if you got a bowl and mixed it with like, I would probably dead ass eat a bowl of ground beef, cream cheese, and caviar. I'm not kidding. I would do it, guys. I would do it, and it's not even rage baiting. It's just facts.
We had some caviar last time we was together.
What was that?
We had some caviar last time we hung out, remember?
I freaking love caviar. Give me some fish eggs, give me some fish eggs, cream cheese, and some ground beef.
Caviar is
That'd be
just,
fun on the pizza too.
it's
Give me
just
pizza
expensive dip, basically.
With some pizza with ground beef, cream cheese, pineapple, caviar. Ooh. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I could totally get down with that. As long as it's gluten free, though. I don't do gluten. I don't do gluten. My stops are at 23, guys. My stops are at 223. My stops are at 223. Yesterday's class was fire. Just wait till you come to tonight's. Just wait till you come to tonight's.
All right, everyone. I'm watching for a short entry. I'm gonna start my shorts here on M and Q. I'm trading M and Q.
Let's go. Welcome to the team.
We got the confirmation candle closed. We retested, and that's why we're entering shorts here. We waited on the retracement of the candle some to take some of the risk off. MNQ shorts. Like to see a decent move down here.
Welcome to the team, Grizzly Glock.
I joined you all. See if we can get another move down.
Well, team, Mr. Glazley?
My stops, if we get the 5-minute close above that previous 5-minute candle, I'll stop out. What is that? That 25, like 224. Or you can keep your hard stop there, whichever you prefer.
We want lower.
Just keep going lower.
We want lower, baby.
Nice. Nice move so far. I'd like to see us
We
test.
want lower.
If we flush that 25,184, I'm gonna take a trim. Feel free to trim where you like though. We are in the green, so.
That was baller. We want low day. We won't settle for anything less. We won't settle. No way, no how. It's crazy. LeBron's definitely retiring this year. That's definitely going to be his big announcement today. I mean, I think it's definitely down for the game for sure. We lose Kobe and Bron within 5 years. I mean, I've never been a LeBron guy, but shit, for the game of basketball, I mean, there will never be another LeBron, ever. Never. There will never be another LeBron going in the league at 17 years old and just dominating. I'm definitely going to go to the Lakers game this year when they come to Denver. I'm excited for basketball season again. That's my deal. That's where I like spending my money. I don't really go out. I like spending my money on basketball games, experiences.
Come on, flush.
I'm sorry, I like Cooper Flag, but he's not the face of the league, bro. Telling you that right now. I'm a Duke fan, bro. I got a ball in my background. Just passed my first ever eval with that trade. Thank you, Timo. Let's go.
All right, looks like we're about to get a low day here, everyone. Let's see. What's the delta here?
Heck yeah.
I don't know. That delta is not too convincing here.
The earth. Pay me like the first. Time to move on to Wemby. Not the face of the league either. Sorry. Bronny Jr. is not the face of the league. Sorry, bro. That is just not correct at all in any way, shape, or form, and never will be, probably. He's boring as hell to listen to, but like he's really smart and he's like super good at what he does, you know?
If you all trimmed on that trade, I would set your stops to entry.
Like, you witness greatness when you watch him, but it's not super exciting. Like Prime LeBron is doing like windmills and putting up like 40 and shit. He's very efficient in numbers, and you know that. Fun fact: part of Jokic's, in my opinion, his passing skill comes from he used to be a water polo player.
I would like to see us lose this previous day low area. Sorry, previous day close area. 25,184. If we lose that, I don't see why we couldn't get like 25,161. This hasn't been good price action last couple of days. Take a look at ES. Let me know. Yeah, let's get to the downside here. We should see at least another low a day, at least. Just looking at the different time frames here.
Come on, we got low day almost. We want more.
I'm taking my first trim here, everyone.
We want more. I'm keeping my promise. We get under 128. Video of me running down the street, shirt off, screaming "Team Bull forever."
Did someone ask for this? You got some Team Bull asking for the video?
Team Bull, Team Bull.
Took my first trim. My stop is at 25,203 now.
Be my star. Yeah, that was a great trade.
Nice trade. Anybody making any money off this trade? 20-point trim. Juan, I'm a little curious. Did you take the trade with me, Juan? We didn't really have no drawdown on my entry. Not much. Let's see if we can't get pushed on down here. Come on, push down for us. We're still in, right? You still in with me? You all still in this with me? Let's see if we can push down to this. I'd like to see 25,162 for the next trim.
It's raining.
Right in that area. Maybe a little higher, but right in the 60s.
You can always come trade with me. Come trade with me.
Jaden in a singing mood. No tilt, everyone. Took us some patience this morning to wait on our setup, but we caught a winning trade. I don't hate it, but I'm not entering the Amazon quite yet. I'll have to take a look. We'll see where it is a little closer to Power Hour today. We'll see. Remember, my stop is right here, YouTube. Well, 203 was my entry on this. Right around it. That's where I'm going to leave my stop after our first trim. I want to see this area here for the next. Right above this previous day point of control. Then I'll move my stop loss down to right here. Okay? Makes sense? Come on. Oh, we may get it here, Jaden.
What?
We might get this flush.
I know, I'm waiting.
Come on, push. I went into the 60s for my next trim.
We want more. We want more. You guys have it trimmed. Be sure you've taken at least something off.
We both know why you held.
GG, yes, sir. Good game. I get my conviction from my
Grandma?
I get my conviction, yes, from my grandma. 9 years of experience.
Have a good day. See you back here tomorrow. Well, YouTube, you all know how to manage your trade. I gave you all the exact plan. I'm going to get my coffee warmed up and work on a few things. And I do have some accounts. For those that was waiting, I think I'll give away 2 accounts today. They're 150K take profit. And again, if you don't get chosen, you can always use my code Grizzly. Go to grizzlytrades.com, click on take profit, use code Grizzly, one of the best in the game. Okay, who wants one? Let's see here. Carter Stanley, DM me on Instagram with your email that is associated with your Take Profit account. It has to be linked to it. I have to have that email to get you the free credit for the 150K account. Let's see. Let's see here. Pick one more person. MJ, you. So DM me your. I gave away 2. Remember, the more you use my code, the more I have to give away for Take Profit. That's how they work. That's not how it works for Apex, so I'm going to get you all some fresh code for Apex. Do some more giveaways this week, or try to. So, all right, appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the morning, okay?